Hi, second grade. It's that time again. It is time for fun with phonics. Today is lesson 2. Today we're going to warm our brains up again with sound switcheroo. Now, in this sound switcheroo, one of the switches is a little tricky because the sound is in the middle of the word. So you're going to have to listen really carefully. We'll say 2 words, and then you have to tell me the sound that changed or was taken away or was added. Here we go. Say fuel. Now say fume. What sound changed? Can you say the sounds? Good job. Say new. Now say few. What changed? Good job. Say cue. Now say clue. And this is a tricky one. What changed between cue and clue? Did you say we added Because we did. Cl. We added an at the end. Last one. Say glue. Now say blue. What changed? G to B. Well done. Yesterday we learned that we can have long U vowel teams that make the sound U or oo, which is the long U vowel sound. Here are the patterns that we studied yesterday. See if you remember them. Vowel consonant E says oo or U. We have the pattern UE that says oo or U. We have the pattern IEW that says U. And we have a U all by itself that says U or oo. We're going to use those patterns to help us blend and read the words in our blending lines today. Remember, when we do our blending lines on the first day, we make each sound slowly and then we blend them together like this. K, cut, k, ute, cute. Notice how the U sound changed because it's a team with the E. All right, we're going to do it together. I want you to make your voice nice and loud. Here we go. Make the sounds. Cut, ute, cute, ugh, hug. Notice how there's an E, so we have to change. Do it. Huge, huge. Ooh, some of you were smart to notice that the sound of the G changed too, didn't it? When it was a short U, it was G, but when it became a long U, it was J. That's tricky. Here we go. Ready? Us, use, use. Great job. All right, let's keep using those vowel teams. Here we go. Cube, cube, fumes, fumes. Mule, mule, mute, mute, cue, fuel, fuel. Great job. Last row. Let's use some of our other vowel teams. You, few, you, view, and you, menu. Use, ick, music. Make each sound. It, unit. Argue, argue. Well done. Did you see how those vowel teams were making the U or the oo sound? Now we're going to use some of those words to help us attack the bigger words like this. Use, misuse, misuse. Ready? Here we go. Read the words. Use, misuse, misuse. That means to use something wrongly. Used, used. Here we go. Read this one. Unused, unused. Great job. Fuse. What's that word? Fuse. Refuse. Read it. Refuse. Great job. All right, let's do a couple of our challenge words and then we'll get to our reading in context. Read each syllable alone first and then we'll blend it together. Unuse, ooh, all, ooh, that one's tricky. Unusual, beautiful, beautiful. And I want to stop on that one. Notice how we have a really funny pattern here. The EA makes the E vowel team, and the U by itself makes the U sound. Beautiful. All right, we're just going to read our very first sentence in context today. So get your voice ready. Here we go. Read the sentence smoothly like you talk. We can use this menu to order our food. Well done. Let's keep learning about how the long U vowel team can help us as we're reading words. All right, second grade, you know what to do. It's word building time. You need to either have a piece of paper and a pencil, or maybe you have a marker board at home that you could be writing on. I'm going to have you write a word, and then I'm going to ask you to change the word a little bit. You can either erase the letters that need to change and replace them with the new ones, or you can just write the new word underneath. All right, here we go. The first word is tube. Say the word with me. Tube. Good. Write the word tube on your paper, like a tube of toothpaste. Tube. Think about your long U vowel teams. We're going to go pretty quickly. All right, got it down? Let's check it. Tube is spelled T-U-B-E. The U-B-E is the U consonant E vowel team. Go ahead and fix it, because we need to start off with that word. All right, ready? All right, change tube to use. Use. As in, you might need to use your eraser to make the changes. Quick changes. Change tube to use. Think about the letters that need to change. All right, here's your changes. Did you take away the T and change the B to an S? That's right. Use drops the T and has an S in it. In this case, the S makes a sound like this. Zzz, doesn't it? All right, change use to cue. One meaning of the word cue is that big long stick that you use when you play pool at a pool table. Cue. How do you think you spell the word cue? And if you need a hint, here's a hint. You're only going to change one letter, but you have to change the order the letters are in. You got it? Remember, you can always pause if you need more time. You change the S to a C and move it to the front. Cue. The C makes the K sound and the UE makes the OO sound. All right, next one. This is going to be a fast change. Change cue to clue, like a hint. Change cue to clue. All right, that was a fast change. What letter did you need to add? An L. And where did you add it? After the C. That's right. Cue, clue. All right, this one's a pretty big change. Change clue to fuel. Like what you put into your car is fuel. Do some rearranging. Write the word or erase and change. All right, here we go. The CL changed to a, and the L sound went to the end. Fuel. The UE is still making our U sound in fuel. All right, next one. Change fuel to few. To not have very many means you have a few. Listen carefully. Few. What are you going to change? Big change on this one too. Erase or write it again. Pause if you need more time. You drop the UEL and it becomes EW at the end. That's right. That stayed the same, but U was spelled EW. Few. Last change. Here we go. Change few to view. What are you going to change? Few, view. Think about what sounds change and then how you're going to show those sounds with your letters. view, view. Ready? Did you hear that the changed to a V? So we needed to change it to a V. And in view, I-E-W makes the U sound. So you had to add an I in there as well. Wow, that was some hard thinking work, second grade, but you're getting so good at that. I'm so proud of you. Head on to the next Nearpod slide so that you can keep practicing phonics for today.